Ninety One is one of the most popular music voice bands in Kazakhstan, and today we're gonna watch music video, the latest music video performed by them, and we're gonna react to that music video. We're gonna evaluate music video. We're gonna share our viewpoints, and foreigners they're gonna share their viewpoints and opinions concerning that video.
Okay.
Yes. So let's go. Here we go. So, do they look like Korean singers?
Yeah.
Or they don't?
To the beat.
Does it remind of Korean style, this video? And they're, yeah.
They should be Korean from Korea.
Yeah, they're not.
They are not?
Yeah, they're from Kazakhstan.
That's where?
These guys are from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Yes, I said you Kazakh music video.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, so you thought that they're from Korea.
Their accent is also like Korean.
So really, man.
Mà nó là rugby, ôi là mau rugby, cara vera.
What language is it?
Kazakh.
Really?
Yes.
If you didn't tell me, I'll probably guess Japanese.
Well, they have like a Asian face.
Do they look like Asian?
Yeah.
They do, because they're Kazakh. Kazakh are Asians.
But you not look like Asian.
Yes, and look like Spanish
Yeah, okay.
or Mexican.
It's very colorful.
Yeah, it's colorful. So, do you like this type of music? Because some people they don't.
No, I don't like such kind of music.
So you're not fan of this genre or yeah.
No, I kind of like bit of rap.
I don't know, outside of Western Europe, I guess, but I wouldn't be able to say they're from Kazakhstan if I first met them on the street.
It's a clean video. I mean, I don't understand the language,
Okay.
but I like the beat.
So what do you think? What they are singing about?
I don't know. It's about love, I think.
Саған қалай айталам, айтпай қалай жай табам, сол алғашқы жалында жарайықшы қайтадан.
I don't really understand the video that much, but I mean, it looks good. It reminds me of like K-pop.
No, it's not close to Indian pop music, no. In terms of British, it's very close to new British songs. But to me, it looks very much like Asian, like how Chinese songs are.
Very colourful, it's high production. Does look very good.
It's now like popular in Kazakhstan, this kind of style of music.
It's very popular.
Okay. It used to be like this or they changed recently?
Who changed?
I mean the style of
The style of this, yes, it's changed recently.
Yes, I see.
It didn't used to be like that.
Yeah, of course.
4 or 5 years ago, yeah, no.
Who sings? What band is it?
The name of the band is 91.
What is the language? Is it Kazakhstan, as you're saying?
Yes.
Yeah, they're singing. Okay.
Kazakhstan, yes, they are singing only in Kazakh language.
Yeah.
Not so. In our country, people use both Kazakh and Russian language, but they don't sing in Russian,
don't
only
mix it.
in Kazakh.
I have no idea. From the video, I have no idea what it's about.
I don't know, probably love, heartbreak.
Probably about love.
Heartbreak.
Yeah.
Whatever else, like.
What country are you from?
Nigeria.
So in Nigeria, have you got such kind of boys bands, or you got your own style, specific?
It's more like Afrobeats in my country, but it's similar. There's some similarities.
How old are they? What do you think?
The age. I don't know, 20s, mid-20s, 30s.
Yeah, I suppose a little bit between like Russian and Arabic sounding.
I don't think there's like a lot of boy bands around when I was like growing up, to be honest.
Yeah.
In 90s, I remember.
In the 90s there were, like when I was like five,
Backstreet Boys, NSYNC.
Westlife, they were like quite popular.
Yeah, you see, I haven't listened to any of those.
I think like, yeah, when I was maybe like in primary school, Westlife were really popular.
Yeah. So what language does it remind? Korean. You're not the first who saying like that, but no, it doesn't sound like Korean, to be honest. Некоторым девушкам так сильно нравится группа Ninety One, что они даже перепели их песни. И среди этих девушек есть даже иностранки. Давайте посмотрим. Я знаю, что в Казахстане не все любят группу Ninety One. Есть люди, которые их постоянно критикуют, мол, развратная группа, мол, похожа на гомосексуалов, мол, одеваются как девочки и так далее и тому подобное. Ребята, я вам скажу следующее. Ninety One – это охренительная группа. Реально я вам так скажу. Они поют на казахском языке. Они, пожалуй, единственные из всех казахоязычных певцов, которые реально интересны иностранцам. По всему миру люди смотрят, слушают группу Ninety One. Она реально нравится людям. Не только казахам, не только тем, кто говорит по-казахски. Но и вообще всем, неважно, Аргентина, Италия, Китай. Люди смотрят Ninety One и кайфуют. Они реально пропагандируют казахский язык во всем мире. Ninety One, вы гордость Казахстана. А критики Ninety One, я вам следующее скажу. Они пропагандируют казахский язык во всем мире. Уважайте их. Уважайте хотя бы за это. Пока.